Alright guys, it's time to find the last two amiibo so we can cover up the whole treasure. Yeah, we can do it. Yeah, yeah, we can do it. We can do it. Alright. Yeah, sure, dorks. Okay, who's ready? I'm ready. Oh, so what's your plan to get these amiibo? Well, you see, Whoa! Is that the Koopa Clown car? It's moving by itself. Don't you understand, Luigi? It's leading us to the clue. And it's already dawn, so the Koopa Clown car is already out. Oh, I see. Oh. Hey, would you look at that? The next amiibo. A Mewtwo amiibo, too. Cool. Come on, read it, read it, read it! I am. Like, keep your shirt on. Oh. Ah! Huh. Hey, let me go, Donkey Kong! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, DK, give us back the next amiibo. Hey, tell you what. If you don't give me that amiibo, I'll splat ya. Much better. Now, do you know where the final amiibo is? Can you speak English? Actually, I can! It's right over there near the fireplace. That's where you can find the last amiibo to this household. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta go back to Congo Bongo. Or DKL, take your pick. There it is! I see it too! Huh? It's being guarded by that foo we saw earlier. Yeah, you're too late. Ugh. We can still touch it. It's on this fireplace. Hey, what a coincidence! It's an amiibo of me. Who's number one now? No way, no how you're gonna get this amiibo. It's mine, and I'll take your orders too. That won't happen, Buster. Put him up. Let me at him. Let me at him. I'll splat you to death. I'll take you on. It will be like fun. Come on. Let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. Wait. Oh. Let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. Oh. Hey, what was that for? Foolish plumber and cats. And turtles, too. What'd you say? I'm gonna have that amiibo, and you'll never do anything about it. Whoa! Ah! Huh? Great work, guys. That tightrope technique always works. The final amiibo. We're finally done. I'm the new household name of this mansion. Come here, guys. Wait, why? Huh? Sit here. We're gonna find out who this boo really is. Whoa. Whoa. Huh? He's coming down. The sheriff! We should have guessed all along. Wait, you look a bit different. That's because, he's not the sheriff. He ain't the sheriff. Huh? That's right, it's the real Officer Joe. He took my hat and my spot and always likes to dress up with me. He's just a Koopa Troopa, not a yellow Yoshi. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta arrest this fiend. Come here, you're going to jail for a long time. No. Okay, guys, have a good day and a happy Halloween. I'll get you next time. You stupid plumber and cat. Well, guys, I guess this is goodbye. Yeah, it is. Maybe we'll see each other next time soon. Bye bye. Hold on. That's not a right ending. We should give them a real goodbye. Happy Halloween, everyone! Ha ha ha! Meow! Da 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 da! Kitty catastrophe! Hey hey! This video goes out to all my fans, and for those, happy Halloween.